Okay, coming.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with and without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no we run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with and without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be
Looks quite stable.
charming to me. I
I
just
can
need
also
this
use it
to
as a
be real.
tabletop.
I don't
Not
need
bad.
no fairy tale. You don't need a
So these are the three columns, and those are my art supplies that I'm going to organize in this trolley. Like this. Hello, I'm Paul, and welcome to my channel, Mystical Fine Arts. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are the first person to watch when the new videos are released.
You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a cute dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
So I'm going to start the tour of my art supplies trolley. As you can see, I have managed to fit in all my art supplies that I need on daily basis, from pencils, markers, colors, paintbrushes, sketchbooks, etc. Here, I've kept a small notebook on top for jotting down creative ideas, make my to-do list, plan my day, and make amazing videos to entertain you guys. So I've utilized this really big palette just in case I need it for painting. I will remove the things and then I can start painting. I need a Vaseline on daily basis, so I kept it as a basic necessity. A blade, an eraser, a small sharpener, and my rubber band. All right, so basically it's like a tabletop here. You can place anything you like. Now let's go to the second floor. Actually, the third floor. As you can see here, I've kept all my pencils, my pens that I use on a daily basis, my painting brushes. These are the watercolor brushes, some oil brushes, and some acrylic. And also my palette knives, as you can see here. These are some acrylic colors
masking tape for metallic colors, all metallic colors, neon colors, just in case I need a mask, get a mask here. I have a Mod Podge here, which I needed like usually regularly. My sculpting paste, which I use by Itsy Bitsy. This is linseed oil for my oil painting. Some varnish. It's a matte finish varnish. And this one here, let me just remove this. This one is here, a big jar of Fevicol. Yes guys, you must be wondering why I've kept a big box of Fevicol. Well, I usually use it for my fluid art. I'm going to show you on the next floor the colors that I have created to do fluid art. And yes, there at the back, some ice cream sticks, some tapes, dropper, and some plastic cups for my fluid art again. So let's go on the second floor. So guys, this is the second floor of my art trolley. Okay, let's start from here. These are basically, I've kept it for watercolor painting, any fluid painting basically, to mix some colors and then, you know, basically make my own colors and then, you know, use it for my artwork. There are like 2 boxes of these. All right, so these are some mixed colors. Mostly they're acrylic and poster colors. It's like silver shade, gold, orange. So you'll find basically mostly all the colors. Poster color, and this is a mixing medium by Camel, especially for, you know, silver powder, or if I have to make the color thin, so I use this pouring medium. All right, moving on to this. Okay, these are my Faber-Castell oil colors. Let's just keep it there here. These are my soft pastels. Usually I use it for my painting work. And this one here, this is a hair serum. Oopsie. All right, one second, let me just fix it. It goes. So this is a hair serum that I use. No, not for my hair. This I use basically for my artwork. Yeah, this I use it also for my acrylic fluid art. It really helps you to create some beautiful cells in the painting. I will show you one of the painting. Okay, so, and these are my, I know it looks ugly, but these are my pouring colors, again by Camel. So I have experimented and mixed my own mediums and then created my own colors. As you can see, organized them like this. And these are the ice cream sticks that I use it to mix the colors. If you want a tutorial on fluid art, guys, do let me know in the comment section below, and I shall come up with a video soon. All right, now let's go to the last section. So this is the last compartment of this trolley. You can find it here, some papers. These are my sketchbooks. And watercolor papers, drawing files, canvas papers, extra canvases. It's my hairdryer glue gun, which I use rarely, but it's best to keep it at the bottom, so whenever I need it I can just pull it out and then use it. So that's it, guys. I hope you like my video. This is my art supplies trolley, and that's how I've organized my art supplies.